welcome back to my channel, and today is the first, so happy new year, happy 2019. I can't believe we're here. I am so ready to take 2019 by the and do it well. We went out to breakfast this morning and I failed at keto. It's like really hard. So I couldn't resist. I got me a biscuit with chicken on it, some egg. So it was delicious. But it's okay. It was only a day. That would be beginning of day 4. My in-laws were in and I was like, that's fine. And I'm still calorie counting. So my thought on keto overall is you're still calorie counting because I know they say you can eat whatever you want. However, but calories in versus calories out, like there's a math to it. So even when I was using, for example, let's pull out, not in the middle of the road, Carb Manager, which they still tell you to eat less calories. So it's not like it's a free-for-all. So for example, I had like 1770 I could eat, and normal calorie counting I only had 1650, 40. So it's 100 calories more, but you're still having to restrict yourself. It's just no carbs, which I get it. When you don't eat carbs, then it's going to go and attack your fat. Like, I get that, and it obviously works, but for someone who loves carbs, I gave it a good effort, I thought. I probably could try again, because no one's ever perfect, because you can just get out of ketosis and come right back in. It may take like a couple days. I was almost fully in ketosis. I was in, I think there's 5 stages, and I was in 4, which I think it goes up to 16, and I was at 8. So once it goes from 8 to 16. So I was really close to the full-on ketosis, but didn't get there because of myself. Like, I literally could have said no, but I didn't. So it is what it is. But I think I'm just gonna go back to normal calorie counting and just do like a low carb. Like, I'm gonna try to stay away from sandwiches and potatoes. Rice is iffy. I'm married to a Cuban, so rice is an iffy. But like do it in like moderation. So essentially go back to the calorie counting. Because there's so many calories in bread that I could save probably 250, unless you go to Chick-fil-A, it's only like 100, then it's fine. So I think if I go low calorie, it'll be better. Oh my God, that workout. I did week 3, day 1. It was so freaking hard. Oh my God, I had to pause mid. So I think it was 5-minute warm up plus 5-minute walk. And then it was the 2.5-minute run, and I had to pause with 10 seconds left. I was so close, but my whole body was cramping, and it's because I probably haven't drinking enough water. And then I freaking had to pause again after the second one. I was so mad at myself. I tried to push through, it just was not working. So I paused about halfway through that second one, and then I was able to run the last one though. I pushed and pushed. So the first 2 were both 2.5 minute, but the last one was only 1.5 minutes. So, but I had to push for that one because, when you're on 3, it's like exhausting. So I'm going to Publix just to pick up a few more things because we're missing chicken for dinner. So yeah. Oh, my face. Oh my God, I look terrible. I probably shouldn't have even been vlogging. Oh well, this is me. But you guys are used to that by now. I'm literally the only one in our gym. It's like New Year's. Aren't people supposed to be like, I'm getting fit? Yeah, well, no one's getting fit. I might do the elliptical, actually, now that I think about it. Because, I don't know, I feel like switching it up. I ran yesterday, but not today. But let's show you around my gym. So you guys know I go to LA Fitness, but they have a whole bunch of weights. These used to be over there, and then these used to be here together, and now they're all spaced out. 2 benches to use in there. Open area cables, chest press, you know, seated rows, pull downs, 2-leg machines, this weird like running thing, a bike, all the treadmills, 2 ellipticals. So I'm gonna get on this today, I think, for just like 15 minutes, and I'm gonna do weights. Can we talk about the disaster that is my office? Like, literally, look at this. I am so overwhelmed. I need a clean. I still have yet to do like all of this. Like, what in the world? This is like half nail stuff, because you see my nails are not done. My nails are done. Not done. So yeah. That's this. This is my Hobonichi stuff, and I need to take advantage of this. This is like my next project. Yeah.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and waited.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This may be the first face-to-face, so it is Thursday the 3rd. It's almost 7 o'clock, so I am probably gonna go downstairs and make myself some dinner, but you would have seen me clean this situation that's going on, because it was a mess, giving me anxiety. I haven't addressed the winter Plannerland stuff or the stuff that is over there. Yeah, haven't addressed any of that because I was doing pieces. I wanted to do like a little section at a time, because I don't, I will get overwhelmed. I feel so much better. I literally think I need another container for Simply Gilded. And the new release that I think I saw for February, it was beautiful. Yeah, and I'm gonna double dip. I'm gonna try to get another Galaxy set, and that's tomorrow. So I need to set an alarm. I didn't even think of that. I gotta set an alarm. Oh, and I got something going on. Okay, well, you know. So I still haven't finished this Hobonichi. It hasn't moved probably since the last time you saw it. It's been a couple days. I'm working on it. I want to finish it. And right now, so today is the 3rd. I didn't do yesterday because I wanted to print a picture for the 2nd, and I need to do the 3rd, meaning today. So I gotta figure out what I want to do. I really like the whole picture thing, and then just like, I don't want to say I'm gonna do 365 days of pictures, but you know, it might be. We'll see. I gotta do this layout because now it's like over 2 pages. So yes, I'm not gonna fall behind as of yet because it's too early to fall behind, right? I'm sure you guys agree. Okay, I will see you guys later.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
All right, so you probably would have seen some watercoloring. This is what I ended with. And then today isn't very exciting. I did a really light one today. It just said like cleaning my office, and it allowed me to be kind of like my head clear, so I was able to be creative, and then that I'm excited for this year. So I thought like the first 2, like I did that one super light on purpose, were very inspirational. Like yesterday, no, the first, I had a really good attitude. Like I was ready, I wrote things down. Yesterday I was indifferent on what to write here. I didn't know if I wanted to write about like my exercise or anything like that. So today I decided to fill it in. I originally thought I was gonna do a picture, which again was me exercising. I was like, you know what? I did that on the first one. Like, I'm not just about trying to lose weight. And I really was like trying to think of like my theme for this year. I know there's like controversy of like, oh, it's a new year. Like, why couldn't you do this in December? Like, why couldn't you do, like, I know, I get it. But I am doing it for the new year. It is what it is. And I think this is the perfect example. Strive to be a success. No, strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. And I feel like that is such a good quote for me. And I don't want to say goal because that's like really dramatic, but it's, I tend to like want to do things now, and like I have to, either I have to have it, I need to do it right now. Like I'm very impulsive. So I think that quote and my impulsive tendencies and my tunnel vision tendencies need to get a little bit more under control. And that's kind of what I'm using this quote slash kind of going into the new year. That could change halfway through the year. It could be like, oh my God, I'm so boring. You know, who knows? Who knows what my reaction tomorrow will be? It could be like, girl, you crazy. Who knows? But that's where I'm kind of thinking. And you guys saw me clean my room. Part of my room over there is still a disaster, but you know, what else is new? So I have to edit vlogs. I'm like, today's the 3rd. I haven't edited anything since the 25th. So I'm gonna do some heavy editing, as in cut out a bunch of crap and just release the 2 vlogs, I think, back to back. Because I only want to be about a week behind, although I'm about 10 days, so it's not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see you later. No, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Because I think it's time for me to call it. So I really, it's 9:15. You know what? I'm gonna give myself the night off of not YouTubing, of editing, cleaning, videoing. I'm ending. Good night, internet. Good night.